Lesson 5. Lesson 5 is identifying rational expressions, rational equations, rational inequalities, and rational functions. Okay, so let us start by defining what is a rational expression. So a rational expression is the ratio of the polynomials. When we say ratio, this is a fraction wherein there is a numerator and a denominator. But since this is rational expression, so this is a fraction of polynomials or ratio of the polynomials. So example number 1, 3x minus 2 over 11x plus 1. So this is an example of rational expression because this is a ratio of two polynomials. Okay. Number 2, 5 over negative 2x plus 1. So this is also a ratio or a fraction, but then ang polynomial lang dito is yung nasa denominator, but it's okay. This is still considered as rational expression as long as there is a polynomial. It's either in the numerator or in the denominator or pwede ring both, katulad nitong number 1. Okay? So those are rational expressions. Let's move on with the rational equations. So, rational equation is an equation containing at least one rational expression. When you say equation, from the word equa, so we are using the equal sign. So, meron siyang equal sign wherein both sides or either one of the sides of this equation are rational expression. So, number 1, example, 3x minus 2 over 11x plus 1 equals 2. So, this is a rational equation because there is an equal sign here and this is a rational expression. The sa left side is a whole number and this is still considered as rational equation basta may at least isang rational expression either on the side or it can be on the left or it can be on the right. Number 2, 2x equals 5 over negative 2x plus 1. So this is a rational equation because we are using the equal sign and both sides are rational expression. 2x is a rational expression. Bakit? Mayroon din yung denominator which is 1. Hindi na nga lang sinusulat kapag ang denominator ay 1. But this is still a rational expression kasi ito ay polynomial pa rin yung 2x. Okay? So, a polynomial with a denominator of 1 is equal to 5 over negative 2x plus 1 is also a rational expression. So, this is considered as rational equation because this is an equation of rational expression. Okay? Next, rational inequalities. A rational inequality is an inequality that contains a rational expression. This uses the inequality symbols such as less than, greater than, less than or equal, greater than or equal, not equal, much less than, and much greater than. The examples are 2 over 11x plus 1 is less than 3x minus 2 over 11x plus 1. So, uh, this is inequality because we uses the symbol less than here. So, ang difference lang niya sa equality is that yung equality, gumagamit siya ng equal sign, wherein yung inequality, gumagamit siya ng mga inequality symbols. And then the rest of the condition is the same. Okay? So, this is the inequality of the rational expression. Okay, number 2, 12x is not equal to 5 over negative 2x plus 1. So, gumamit siya ng not equal na inequality symbol. Okay, so those are the rational inequalities. Okay, now let's proceed with, next is, what's next? Rational functions. Okay, so rational function is defined as rational expression in which the denominator has a degree of at least 1. So in other words, there must be a variable in the denominator. So kapag rational function daw, merong variable sa denominator with a degree of at least 1. Ibig sabihin, yung exponent niya is at least 1. So ito at least 1 kasi kapag walang nakasulat, may exponent siya na 1. And gumagamit siya ng symbol sa like this, f of x, g of x, or h of x. Basta lahat ng symbol ay ganito na any other variable pwede. So, yan ay a rational function. Or it can also be written as y equals 3 over x. So, y is the range, di ba? This is the y value kapag function, di ba, meron tayong x value or the domain and the y value is the range. So, in here, y is the range. So, and 3 over x is the domain. So, this is considered also as a rational function. So, pag may nakita kayo na symbol na f of x or y equals or kahit na dito ang y sa right side, that is still a rational function. Okay? Another example, 2x plus 1 over x plus 5 is equal to y. So, rational function siya kasi naka-equate yung y sa rational expression. Dapat rational expression yung ka-equate niya. Okay? And g of x is equal to 1 over x. So, those are the rational functions. Okay, next. So let us practice. So let us determine if the given is a rational expression, a rational equation, a rational inequality, or a rational function, or none of them. So number 1, y equals 5x cubed minus 2x plus 1 is a rational function. Bakit siya rational function? Kasi meron tayong y value here, which is equated in a rational expression. So that is rational function. Number 2, 8 over x minus 8 is equal to x over 2x minus 1. So this is an equation of rational expression. These are two are both na rational expression. So this is a rational equation. Number 3, none of them. Why? Because square root of x minus 2 is a radical expression, hindi siya rational. So, magkaiba yung rational expression sa radical expression. So, our answer here is none of them. Okay? Number 4, x plus 2 over x minus 1. So, this is only a ratio of two polynomials. So, this is a rational expression. Okay, let's move on. Number 5, x minus 1 over x plus 1 is equal to x cubed. Okay, this is an equation. This is a rational expression. This is another rational expression. So this is a rational equation. Number 6, y equals 7x cubed minus 4x plus y over x squared plus 3. So given yung y value, which is the range. And then this is rational expression. So this is a rational function. Okay. Number 7, 6x minus 5 over x plus 3 is greater than or equal to 0. So in here, we are using the inequality symbol with rational expression. So this is rational inequality. Number 8, 6x over 3 plus 3 is only a polynomial. This is only a polynomial, which is a binomial. So this is a rational expression only. Okay, so let's move on. This will be your summative test number 5. Yan. So, pwede nyo siyang answeran through the link. So, I will give you a link for summative test number 5, or you can answer it in a piece of paper if you want. Then, ipapasa po natin during our retrieval. Okay? So, that's all for today. Let's go back.